Haike, the tables have turned. Now, this guy here, Pototo, goes and tell the people at levels that moto earning hore o bookile hotel ki Poko. And Poko now has to come up and pay. Now they called Poko to say, listen, your outstanding amount needs to be settled because now if you don't do so, we are going to tell Mr. and Mrs. Sindan. And then he says, oh, who told you that? Then they said, Pototo told us. He then said, okay, I think there was a misunderstanding. I will settle it. Let me fix something on my side. I'll come and settle the bill calls. But also said, why unkenta ka hare marara machila ke tla tsamaya ke ya ko police station go go reporta. And ha sentse ke go reporta, ko bolela ntho nngwe le nngwe e ke e tsebang. So Potato was like, what are you talking about? That what are you talking about? Yamachela, because you told people hore na ke nna e leng gore ke bookile hotel and you know for a fact gore nna ha ke tsebe next. I don't know when you need to calm down. Sometimes usithatha ngamawala lezi zinto lezi. Calm down. I don't want to come down yamachila mo tshwantse uyo sort out taba e because if you do not then we have a problem because o ka tsa mo bolela batho gore ke nna ke bookileng hotel. Do you know how does this look? This looks like if ba cry anything but tla re nna ke nna e leng gore ke bula ile motho o nkela ka hara maraharaha e leng gore ha ke itse gore ho iragalang ba tla re nna ke bookile hotel ne ke itse vele gore go shwa motho ka hare so kopa o ntshe otherwise ke ya ko maponiseng a re boptsotso. No, stop it right there. There is just a misunderstanding and we will sort it out. I hope Gesana is just a misunderstanding and they will sort it out. On that note, again, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanibonani hayi ndimadekwana sanibonani avuxeni malweni minjhani hi fikile hi nga n'wina so namuntlha ka nongonoko wa hina wa Scandal hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle because Dintle o find out futhi lwa vuvili. So now the therapist actually went into details as to the last time you came here Untloso came with Umadlomo and then they sat here and then he was telling her how much he was telling Umadlomo how much he loves her and how much he can leave you for her. Umadlomo and then Dintle was not happy to receive that information. Dintle says, I don't know what you're talking about, the therapist, but you came here and said to me that you have sorted out everything, that all the hiccups that relates to Umadlomo, and you don't want to be discussing her because that chapter has been dealt with efficiently, has been dealt with properly, and you guys just want to move on together as a loving couple. And then I asked you if you were sure, and then you said, yes, I am sure. So which means that information you had. The girl was like, no, I did not have it. She goes back and Lini and then to Mama Zalawake, she was crying foul. Oh, how I enjoyed watching those tears. This is what happens. I know you're gonna hate me for this, but xa uthatha indoda yomntu izokulilisa ke sana usazolila ulila ungathi uliliswa yinkwenkwe. Anywho, she goes back to Umamazala and start crying. They're telling her how she realized that Untloso loves Umadlomo and he will always love Umadlomo because at some point they had a conversation and Untloso said he never stopped loving Umadlomo. He never said that he does not love Umadlomo. Umadlomo was the one that asked for divorce. That does not mean that he cut all the feelings for her. Right. So now she then realizes that she was just a fling, like how Madlomo said. Uzoyenza nanoma yini ayenzayo, but at the end of the day, you're kafula like any other girl. Now she just realized, and now she know better. But ge udintle namadota wow, always makes mistakes. But again, anywho, I wish she can cry a river. I wish she can cry for forever. Nothing hate you, While on the other hand, Dige Ubototo is trying to cover up the tracks. He went to the folder that has the CCTV footage, but then he got caught and then started over and then got caught. And then the last time, I think he managed to delete the footage. Now, the problem is, I do not believe that it being deleted, there is no backup. These are the Sindanes that we're talking about. There should be a backup somewhere, and at some point, dirt will hit the fan and the truth will come out. It coming out and Tutuko goes home. The mother is not really happy to see him coming home. She asks where he was. He explained, also disclosed the truth that he actually accidentally found himself drinking alcohol. And I'm just impressed with the level of integrity and respect that he has for his mother of telling the truth. However, the mother said she was not happy with the